All right, so the next challenge is to get this attached to this. All right, so I've kind of clamped it in place here just to see what I was going to do. And these are parts from that entertainment center. And a couple of holes were already pre-drilled, and I'm lazy, so I'm going to go ahead and use those. Basically, this is going to sit in here like this. And then I'll sink 2 holes in here and 2 holes in here, and that will attach this to this. But I'm also going to run a bead of glue in there. So that's where we're at now. We'll get that done and we'll be back in a little bit. All right, so we've attached the pieces to the bottom here. Give you an idea how that was done. These 2 pieces also came off that entertainment center. And I just went ahead and drilled holes here and here, here and here. Actually, these were already drilled. And ran some screws in this way to hold the front and the back on there nice and tight. So by doing that, it makes sure that these pieces can't be moved. By cutting these really tight, I was able to stab those in there and just glue them in place, and then set it up to dry up. So full disclosure, when I said I was only going to use those tools, technically clamps are tools too, and I use those. And I used a compass. So when I get done, I'll lay out the tools I actually used, and we'll take a look at that. But we are still working with a project. This one has 8 pieces. It's done with nothing but scrap wood. When it's painted, it's going to look considerably different. We'll take a look at it when we get done with that. And then I'll let you be the judge whether this is something you'd be interested in doing, because it is a very simple project. But it also allowed us to get our hands on some tools and get a little bit of experience. So here in a little while, we'll come back and we'll go ahead and paint this up and see what it looks like after it's been painted. And then we'll have an idea whether or not it came out okay. Thanks.